Stop wasting your time and stop wasting your money. The bottom line is you need more cash flow. And I'm going to show you how you can get it the right way with this well-known strategy. We are about to enter the largest transfer of wealth in the history of this country. The question is, are you going to be the recipient of this transfer? And the transfer is starting with the older generations, like the silent generation, who were born from 1928 to 1946. Then the baby boomers, who were born 1946 to 1964. And then there's my generation, the Gen X, born from 1964 to 1980. And according to the Federal Reserve, between the three, we have created a total net worth of $132 trillion. That is trillion with a T. The wealthiest, of course, are the baby boomers, with a whopping $76 trillion of net worth, with most of it in real estate and stocks. However, if you are in one of these groups, a lot of your financial growth potential is lying dormant in real estate, stocks, cash, mutual funds, IRAs, cash value life insurance policies, etc. At the same time, most of you have parked your wealth with a middleman like brokers or bankers, and they are reaping the benefits. You are sitting on cash or equity that you have not leveraged or monetized for yourself, not knowing how simple it is to make more passive cash flow on your own using a simple, well-known strategy that I am about to show you. For example, some of you are making good money with your real estate portfolio. However, you have equity in your property that is just sitting there, not making you the monthly cash flow you need. And we all need more cash flow. You have your homestead or rental properties paid off or nearly paid off, but some of you have thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of dollars in equity that is just sitting there dormant and not making you any money or growing your wealth. Or your stock portfolio has grown nicely, but it's not giving you the returns or the monthly cash flow you want and desire. Or you have cash parked in an investment vehicle that is giving you less than double-digit returns, wasting your time and your money. Your wealth is being controlled mainly by someone else who is deciding what your returns will be while leveraging your wealth and making profits behind your back. Well, I'm going to show you this strategy that will allow you to take the control of your wealth to make the additional cash flow you desire. My name is Danny Mckinney. I am an investor, mortgage lender, developer, and fund manager. I have been in the real estate lending and finance business for over 3 decades. I have taught the same strategy to my clients, students, investors, and I currently use it for myself. I am going to show you the right way to use this simple strategy. I will show you how you use this strategy to control your rate of return on your investments and how you can choose the terms for yourself. This strategy is by far the most secure, predictable, and insured investment strategy to make more cash flow. And what can you do with more cash flow? You can buy more real estate, more stocks, and etc. You can buy more income-producing assets to grow your wealth even more instead of letting someone else leverage your wealth. Stop allowing someone else to control all your wealth for their benefit. You want to control the terms and set the rate of return you make. You want to be able to choose who and what deals to invest in. This strategy is secure and the returns are predictable. And the best part, you can choose to get paid on a monthly basis, unlike most traditional investments. And on top of that, with this strategy, you be helping others, fueling the economy and getting paid above industry returns for doing so. If you are in one of the groups I mentioned, time is not slowing down for us. If you are not using this strategy to maximize your wealth and make more monthly cash flow, then you are wasting your time and money. The great thing about this strategy is you can do it part-time and from the comfort of your own home, and there is no license required. Can you use another stream of income? Can you use an extra 5 or 6 figures paid out to you as monthly income? Maybe you just want to pay down some debt. Maybe you want to make a large purchase or pay for a nice trip every year. More cash flow would help you do that. Click the link, and I will show you step by step exactly how me and many others are using this well-known simple strategy and the different ways we use it to maximize our wealth. I will show you how you can make the extra monthly income you want and do it the secure and predictable way. To learn more, just click the link.